Hello everyone, welcome to the course Data Structures. This is Thulasi Chitra, Associate Professor, Department of CSIT, MLR Institute of Technology. In this session, we are going to discuss the overview of how to implement the stack application, that is evaluation of postfix expression, right? This one we are going to discuss the implementation part. Right, implementation part of this we will see. Let us open the online C compiler and let us execute the program. This is how I have opened the online compiler. Just save this program with the name evaluation of postfix expression. Right, save it. Right, here I am writing a little bit, will increase the size. C program to implement evaluation of postfix expression. Okay, now you need to have the header files, hash include stdio.h for printf and scanf functions. Then we need to have the string, that is postfix evaluation is a string. For that we require string.h, and here also we are going to check for the alphabet, right? That means we are going to convert the given string into character type value into the integer value. For that we are going to take each digit, right? For that purpose we are going to include the ctype.h. Character type data we are going to take. For that we are going to include it. Next, we are having a stack again, stack of size some 50, and top should be initialized to -1, right? Still any other variables are required, we will add later, right? Then push function, we are not having any other separate functions we have, right? Push function is required, and this pop function has to return the character value back. Sorry, and this pop function is going to return the integer value. Why? Because the resultant of an expression will be in terms of integers. That's why it has to be return the value of integer, and here it will be passing a character value, right? And these are the functions for NF. Now we'll start our main function, int main. In main function, first we need to scan the postfix expression. For that purpose, we are taking one postfix expression of size pf followed by the element. Why? Means when you are pushing, we are going to pass this element, right? Now, then we require some more variables like a, b, and resultant. When I have popped the elements from the stack, when we are popping the elements from the stack, there we are going to perform the operation, right? For that purpose, we are going to use this a, b and the resultant value. Now take a loop, right? For this, no need of not now. First, we are going to read an expression. Enter postfix expression. Enter postfix expression right. use gets or scanf for reading it. Scanf. I am using scanf percentile s comma pf. Right. The string can be read in this way also if you don't have any spaces or something. Next, I am going to scan through the loop I equal to 0, that is pf of I not equal to null character. Until null character, we are going to repeat this. I equal to, sorry, here I equal to 0. This has to be repeated. Now, whatever the input we are taking, that will be in form of string, right? I am storing this pf of I in one variable called ele, that is the element. Okay. Now, I am going to check if the element is, that is, it is a digit, is digit of ele. If I have taken a character is a digit, in that case, what we are going to do is, we are going to, is a digit, then we are going to push that onto the stack. We are going to push it onto the stack, push off. Here observe, here while I am pushing it, ele minus 0. 0 is in terms of a character, right? What happens here is, ele is a digit, yes, it is checking for a digit. And I am subtracting 0 character value. What is the character value of 0? For your understanding, ele digit character value is, 0 value is 48. Okay, 0 value, character ASCII value I can say. ASCII value of 0 is 48. Like that way, if I am going to give it as 2, consider 2 is 2 value I have taken as the input character string. What is the character value, ASCII value for 2? 2 is nothing but 50. If I want to push that 2 onto the top of the stack, then what here I am doing is, ele minus ASCII value of 0, that is 50 minus 48. That means now on top of the stack, what value it is going to be pushed? It is going to push the value of 2. If I want to push the value of 2, it has to convert the given character ASCII value into the normal digit value. That's why we are writing this condition, right? Now, hope you understand this, what we have done. If part, right? Now, if it is not a digit, then if we are going to have what is that? If it is an operator, then in that case, what we need to do? We need to pop 2 operators which are present on the top of the stack. A first, then B next. These 2 are going to be popped, right? Then we are going to pass this in switch case to perform the operations. Switch off ele. We switch off ele, then we are going to write the cases. If case is plus, then what we need to do? Result equal to B plus A, then break. Else, otherwise, if I want to take another value, minus, in this case, RES will be performed, RES equal to B minus A. Then also it should be a break. Then case is multiplication, RES equal to B into A is break. Next case is division. Like this way you can include so many operators. RES equal to B divided by A, then break, right? These are the cases. Like if you want to include some more operators, you can include it. And how you are going to close your else part, right? After closing the else part, you need to, if you find the resultant value of this, then you are going to push this onto the stack. The resultant value has to be pushed onto the stack. That's why after the else, you need to push it onto the stack. Okay. Now, after doing all this, else part is closed, and now we need to close the for loop, right? If I want to close the for loop, let me check all the braces has closed. If part switch is closed, else is closed, then I need to close this for loop, then main function, one minute, close the main for loop, and after that you need to print it, right? What is the postfix expression? Printf after evaluation. After evaluation, what is the postfix expression? You can pop it from the stack or display, otherwise stack of top also you can display here, right? Close the main function. Now here we need to write two more functions, that is push and pop. Push of character of ELE, then use stack of ++ top equal to ELE, otherwise return type of int pop. Here also you can mention those conditions, top equal to -1 and top equal to size -1, stack of -top, stack of top -, and this should return value, right? This should return value back to print, right? This is how the function, this program is going to have. Now just run this program and we will check few errors. See type.h, and here we have not given any statement. After this, let us give one statement, printf postfix expression. Postfix expression is, try to print what expression you are giving, okay, so that it will be easy for you, what expression you have given, what is the resultant value we got. Okay, let us run this one. I have not declared. Okay, let me declare I also. Stack of ++ top. Yes, I have given stack. Yes, now whatever the example we have seen in the previous video, the same example I am giving here. 231 star plus 9 minus. Okay, if I am going to give this, yes, you could observe here, this is the postfix expression which I have given, and the resultant of this is -4. Like this way you can implement this program. Okay, the summary of this one is, in this we have seen the evaluation of postfix expression. Try to implement this program. If any errors you got, or if you are unable to execute the program, please comment in the session. Thank you.